How does life work? That's a daunting question, given the dazzling variety of forms and behaviors evident all around us. That's the question I tackle, though, in So Simple a Beginning, where we explore the framework that's revealed by our current day understanding of biophysics. I describe how just a handful of physical principles underpin all the ways in which living organisms put themselves together and also interact with each other and their environment. This biophysical perspective also illuminates all sorts of wonders of the natural world, ranging from molecules like proteins and DNA, to microorganisms like bacteria, to more complex organisms, including ourselves. This biophysical perspective also illuminates the tools with which we can study and increasingly manipulate and re-engineer how life works. I describe, for example, gene editing tools like CRISPR. And as I argue, understanding how these work is vital to an informed public discussion of their applications. I provide examples from throughout the natural world and also about 100 illustrations that I've drawn or painted myself, giving a book that I hope is both challenging and welcoming.